In this video, I'm going to show you how to send XRP from Robinhood to a Tangem wallet step by step. First, you need to get your Tangem wallet address. Open the Tangem app and access your wallet. Select XRP from the list of cryptocurrencies. Now tap on Receive. Your XRP wallet address will appear on the screen. Copy this address. Before moving on, make sure you're using the correct cryptocurrency and network. XRP must match on both sides, otherwise the transfer can fail. Next, open the Robinhood app. Go to your crypto section and select XRP. Now tap on Send. Now paste the Tangem wallet address you copied earlier. Enter the amount of XRP you want to send. Double-check everything. Make sure the wallet address is correct and the network is XRP. Once everything looks good, tap Continue or Send to confirm the transfer. And that's it. Your XRP will be sent from Robinhood to your Tangem wallet. If this helped you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.